Do you want to rearrange the Instagram profile photo grid? You can reorder pictures on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To rearrange photos on your Instagram profile grid. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button located below your bio information. A new screen will appear. Scroll down the screen and tap on the Reorder grid option. Now, press and hold on any photo or reel that you want to rearrange. Drag and drop the photo to a new position to swap it with another. You can repeat this process to arrange your posts in any order you prefer. Once you are satisfied with your new layout, tap the back button, and it will automatically save. Your profile will now display your pictures in the new custom order you selected.